Kahit saan mang profession, kailangan meron tayo ng tinatawag na soft and hard skills. Hi, ako nga pala si Ferds at isa akong medrep. So ano nga ba yung mga expectations sa atin ng pharma company na in-applyan natin? Meron dalawang type of skills na dapat meron tayo. Ito ay tinatawag na hard skills and soft skills. Ang mga hard skills ay natututunan during training. Ito yung tinatawag na medical and scientific knowledge, product knowledge mo about sa gamot, technical and digital proficiency. Ito yung mga CRM na ginagamit na system during coverage or in field, computer literacy mo kasi mostly marami tayo ditong mga admin works na ginagawa like reports. Meron ding business skills na tinuturo like yung mga territory management, prospecting and planning, sales monitoring, so on and so forth. Next are yung mga soft skills na tinatawag. Ito naman yung mga skills na natututunan mo through experience. Unang-una na dito is yung communication skill, relationship building, interpersonal skills. Kailangan meron ka ring active listening. Siyempre, hindi lang puro ikaw na sasalita. Dapat marunong ka rin makinig. Resilience and persistence. Dapat, kung meron mang iba to sa mga negative feedback or rejections, dapat alam mo paano siya i-handle. Time management and organization. Kailangan yan. Emotional intelligence as well. Kasi alam naman natin, pag nasa sales tayo, malaki ang stress levels dito. Kasi we are talking about sales and quota na kailangan nating ma-achieve. So, lagi mong tandaan yung mga hard skills and soft skills na yan. Kasi kailangan well-equipped tayo not only as a medrep but as a whole. Kaya if you want to know more about our medrep life, yung real talk ha. Follow for more. Kaya mga ka-reps, G ka ba?